In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the SEO settings of each page on your Weebly site, making your website not only attractive, but also discoverable by search engines. Optimizing your SEO settings is a crucial step in ensuring that your content reaches the intended audience. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily manage these settings within Weebly's editor. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the website editor for the particular site you wish to optimize. This is the workspace where you can make all necessary adjustments and improvements to your site's content and design. Once you're in the editor, look towards the top of your screen, where you'll see a button labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a list of all the pages currently included in your website, listed on the left sidebar. It's essentially your control panel for navigating between pages and making specific edits. Now, with your list of pages readily available, go ahead and select the page for which you'd like to modify the SEO settings. By choosing a specific page, you'll enable the editing features for that page, allowing you to customize its various parameters. After selecting a page, direct your attention to the options that appear, where you'll find a section titled SEO Settings. This is the gateway to optimizing how your page is presented to search engines. And believe me, it is easier to navigate than it sounds. Clicking on Bot SEO Settings will open a variety of fields you can edit to enhance your page's SEO performance. Here, you have the opportunity to craft a concise and compelling page title, which is one of the first components search engines and users alike will see. Creating an engaging and informative title is crucial, so be sure to make it relevant to the content of your page. Next, you'll want to write a captivating page description. This description serves as a brief overview of the page's content and appears in search engine results, so it's important to make it appealing and informative to entice users to click through to your site. Additionally, there's a section for meta keywords. Although keyword importance has diminished over the years, it's still beneficial to include a few targeted terms that are relevant to your page content. These keywords help search engines understand the main topics and themes of your page. Once you've filled in these fields, your page is better set up to rank well in search engine results pages, maximizing the opportunity for your target audience to find you. And that's all it takes. By following these straightforward steps, you've now successfully optimized your page's SEO settings in Weebly. This will give your site the best chance of reaching more visitors and growing your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy optimizing!